2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack Daytona, or not, really beautiful car. There it is, nice and white. I like that color. Looks good on it with the black. It's got factory converters there and there. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe into a factory X pipe. Then it's got the factory mids there and there. Then it's got the factory valves that you guys never want to cut off unless you get it programmed or tuned. There and there, that's when it opens up for sport and all that good stuff. Then we did a rear muffler resonator delete there, and put some 5-inch Westdon exhaust tips, part number W50012-250-BOSS-RS. We'll put your link in the description if we can find one. That's the tips right there and right there. 5-inch tips just fit that car perfectly. 2.5-inch inlet. And like always, guys, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget that. There they are, right there and right there. There's the two mufflers or rear resonators we cut off and tips, and put those in their place right there. Beautiful. Much better. Oh, look at that. What do you guys think? Let us know. Again, there's sound decibels. It peaked at like 101 earlier. Go ahead and back it out straight. Now that sounds so good. Sorry about that, guys. It's raining, so a little bit loud. A really nice idle to it too. Dodge Daytona. $392. Give it gas for me. Oh, it sounds so good. What do you guys think? I love it. Really beautiful. All right, really nice car. Hopefully he'll get on it for us. Let's see. So it's got the rears deleted with 5-inch tips. So that idle.